Hey everybody, this is Greg with Medical Muscle. I want to talk to you guys about something that I've been thinking about for a long time. You know, a lot of people worry about, are they smart enough to get into medical school? Are they smart enough to hang, or are they smart enough to do well? Okay, I'm going to tell you, you do not have to be smart to do excellent in medical school. You do not have to be smart. It helps, trust me. It helps a lot. It makes your life easier, but if you are hardworking and you have a definite goal that there's nothing gonna get in your way, then you'll kill it. That's my situation, okay? I am not the most gifted, naturally gifted student. I never was. I've never been just the best student, okay? Since I was a little kid, I always struggled with school, always. There's certain things that just did not click with me, okay? And there's probably things with you, okay? And, you know, there's people around you that you'd see that would consistently do better. And it just kind of discourages you because you're like, man, they're barely working and they're getting this stuff, it's just clicking. And I always had to work harder. I always had to work really hard just to keep up with the general pace of everybody else. But the key to success, to the success that I've had, is just working hard, okay? Just work hard. Put in the hours. I'm telling you, put in the hours. If you put in the hours, you'll be amazed at how far you get. I want you guys to know that. Don't get discouraged if you're hearing someone study only 2 hours a day or whatever, okay? It's okay that it takes you 2 days or day and a half to get 2 lectures done, okay? Some lectures are hard. Don't worry about it. You personally just need more time. And that happens to me all the time, okay? All the time. I'm always playing catch up. I'm always behind. Things don't click first time, you know? You do little IMCQs, you bomb them. That happens, okay? You just need to just stay motivated. Keep your eye on the prize, okay? Be super determined. You have to keep thinking that this is what you want to do and work really hard. You guys got this. I'm telling you, you got it, okay? Now go out there and kick some butt.